火锅 is Chinese hot pot， 对不对 ？Okay, let's introduce 火锅。Okay, so I'm gonna have spicy. Daddy gonna have spicy. Nikki is having a soup, clear soup. So this is a fried bean curd, fried tofu skin, and this is a lotus. It's a vegetable. Oh, very good, very healthy. Lotus root and mushroom. This is a Korean rice cake, I believe. And this is seaweed and corn, seafood and shrimp. And that is pork leg, some part. Okay, noodles, transparent noodles, veggies. And that's our baby. Oh, he's 4 months old. And mushroom, frozen tofu, and that's beef stomach. And those are beef and lamb. And this pork ham. And that's pork skin. So many kinds of different food. That's Chinese hot pot. You like the sauce, Nikki? Okay. Okay, we're gonna make more videos. Thanks for watching for this one.
Thanks for watching for this one.
Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. Okay,
See you
mine's
later,
ready.
bye.
We're gonna put some food.